Hi beauties, today I have this cooling blanket and I'm super excited because I like to sleep in a nice cool environment and this will help my pillow to stay nice and cool when I sleep. So super excited. It's made out of polyethylene, nylon, and cotton, so that's cool. It's 20 by 30 inches and right on the label in the back it says that you can wash it up to 30 degrees Celsius and gentle washing, but do not bleach it, iron it, or dry clean it. So now I'm going to open it and you'll get my first impressions. Okay, so wow, immediately I like this gray color. It's very relaxing and calming. So there are two of these pillowcases and it feels really cool. It feels really nice. So I'm gonna put these over a pillow so that we can get the full effect of it. But yeah, look nice and big, and I really like this material. So there are actually different materials on either side. So according to the bag, the front is the nylon and polyethylene, and the back is 100% cotton. So I can definitely tell the difference, but they're both super soft and silky. But I'm gonna put it in, put a pillow inside so that we can see and get the full effect of the pillowcase. So I put my pillow in the pillowcase, and there's still a little extra room on the sides. I'm sure I could put a bigger pillow in here, but this is what I have. But yeah, it feels so comfortable and cool, especially this side, the softer side. The cotton side is a little, I guess, thicker, and this other side is a little cooler. So I would sleep on this side and have the cotton side to the bottom. But yeah, this material is amazing, and I'm sure it will help me to sleep so soundly tonight, which is just what I was looking for.